In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make columns and sections in Notion. Creating a well-organized workspace in Notion can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency by allowing you to customize how information is displayed. Let's dive right in. To get started, head over to your favorite web browser and navigate to Notion's website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you aren't already signed in, just click on the Login button located in the top right corner. This will open up different options for accessing your account. Select Google if you typically use your Google account credentials to log in, as this can be a seamless way to sign in quickly. After clicking Google, you'll be prompted to choose your account from a list. Select your account to complete the login process, and you'll be taken to your personal dashboard or whichever page you last accessed within Notion. Once you're inside, you can start organizing your workspace by making columns and sections. With your dashboard open, navigate to the page or project where you're looking to apply these changes. You'll want to locate any element you wish to move around. To do this, hover over the item until you see a handle on the left comprising 6 dots. Click and hold those dots, then drag the element to the side. While doing so, keep an eye out for a small vertical blue line that will pop up. This line indicates where a new section will be created, effectively dividing the page into 2 parts. Let's add another element to this layout. Grab the next item in your list, using the same method of dragging it by its dotted handle. This time, look for a horizontal blue line that appears under the header area, signaling that the element will place itself neatly below the header, staying aligned with the specified section of your page. Once you've done that, repeat this process with the next item, but try placing it on the opposite side this time. This will fully utilize the space on your page, creating a balanced and structured look. Moving elements from one side to another can help you visually organize your content and improve your ability to quickly find and manage the information you need. And there you have it. You've now learned how to configure columns and sections in Notion, allowing you to transform your workspace into a tailored and efficient environment that meets your specific needs. This method not only helps in decluttering, but also makes data more accessible, ensuring that you can focus on what truly matters. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials as we continue to explore the possibilities in Notion. Happy organizing! Yeah.